Hello everyone, welcome back to the Cheeto Free series. Today's episode is episode 4, and we'll be trying vodka chips, classic ranch, and the original. I forgot to mention that they're cooked in beef tallow, and it's organic corn, and red salt. Time to taste. It's really good. It reminds me of a Western style tortilla chip. Not strong beef flavor. Just red and salt. Now I'm going to the classic ranch. And here's the classic ranch. It reminds me of Kino Ranch Chorito. And it's really similar to it. Great flavor. Overall, I would really highly recommend trying these if you want a cleaner alternative. There was 3 flavors: the original, the ranch, and the lime, which just came out. So I'll be trying that another time. I really enjoy these. So again, I would highly recommend getting them if you see them online.